Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will talk about how to apply wildcard in Fantasy Premier League. Now, if you don't have the Premier League app already, make sure to download this on your App Store or your Google Play Store, and then just go ahead and log into the app. Let's go ahead and open this app up. Now, let's go ahead into our Fantasy right here at the bottom, and then we're gonna go ahead and head straight into transfers right here. Now the first thing that we need to do is make sure that our wildcard is available. If it is not, then we cannot use the card itself, but the wildcard chip is provided or given depending on the game week or deadline, so make sure that you don't miss out on this. So how would we go ahead and use the wildcard if it is available? Well, whenever we go ahead and transfer out players, we will go ahead and incur some form of hit points, which will affect our overall result. But for a wildcard, it will allow us to go ahead and make unlimited changes to our team without incurring any points. So that means that, say for example, if we were to go ahead and replace this right here and then make changes to it, say so, this one right here, make changes to it like so, and this player here, make changes to it like so. And then if we go ahead and click on next, usually this would incur some form of points. At the moment in this game week, I have unlimited transfers, but on a normal game week, you should be able to see that this would cost around about 8 points from your total score. But if we were to go ahead and activate our wildcard, which is right here on the bottom left, if it is available, then we are able to basically make as many changes as we want for our team. And then once that you're happy, just go ahead and click on confirm. Then that would be your new and permanent team lineup. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.